Hey, everybody. When it comes to qualifying for a reverse mortgage, people think just prove your income and run a credit report, fog a mirror, and you're done. That's not true. There are some tips that you need to know from the get go that'll really make your loan application and funding speed through the whole processing tunnel into funding much quicker. And I call it the 222, you won't forget it that way, key items of reverse mortgage processing, plus two other tips before we go. Here they are. 2 years of property tax payments, we have to prove they've been made on time, on schedule. 2 years of HOA, homeowner association dues, with a perfect pay history as well. And the final two would be the last 2 years or the last two declaration sheets from the homeowner insurance policy. Two, two, two. Those are important. And before I go, two other little hidden things that'll lose you a whole week on processing it unless you get it up front. When you run the credit report, go look down and explain the inquiries and also explain oddball, weird former addresses, usually at the back of the credit report. Get those twos out of the way starting today. Okay, have a good one.